Hello, today I want to show you how you're able to add a modal from the Pages menu. I already added a modal here, but I'll show you how I was able to do so. Let's go to Pages, Manage Menus, and you will see that one of the options here is modal. Click on it. Let's get rid of these. Now let's add a test. Let's exit out of this. There we go. And we go to settings. We're able to choose where we want it. Top left. We want it at the center, bottom, and so on. So let's choose center. You want to make sure hide on load is checked off. Once you have your modal where you would want it, you can simply go to your input and you can drag and drop any of your fields. For my example, I added account name, industry, in order to add a new account. And then I also added a button to be able to have an on-click action. So same thing, you would go for a button, drag and drop. You can always style it however you want. But let me go ahead and show you the one I already created. It's already configured. So let's bring it back to the center. There we go. Let's save and preview. So here we see that on load, it's hidden. And that's exactly what I wanted. I can see the accounts I have here. But let's say I want to create a new account. I already set up this button so that it would trigger opening the modal. There we go. We can go ahead and add an account name. We can say industry is sales, just for an example, and then we click create and already configure the button as well for it to hide the modal again once it pushes a new account. And then we see the account that we just created via modal. You can create a great user experience utilizing modals, and this is one way for you to quickly create one.